Hey traders, this is Partiban. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys about Aussie USD. This morning I did send some pictures, so I got some replies that they don't understand what's written there and they don't understand the price movement. So I'm going to prepare a very short video for Aussie USD. Okay, this is the buyer zone, this is the seller zone. If market break above this close here, more buyers will come. If market closes below this and close here, at the retest, more sellers will come. Okay, this is the bigger time frame price movement. So what will happen is, if price goes up, retraces up, and closes above 69.80 and give a pullback, I'll become a buyer here. I'll place a buy order and I'll place my take profit at this level. Okay. And if at all it breaks below this rate zone, okay, and retest, I'll become a seller and I'll place my take profit at this level. So it's quite very clear. This is going to be a decision maker movement. Okay, so I'll go short over here and I'll go long at this level. So let me mark the level. It's 69.80, 69.80, and this is 69.40. It's about 40 pips movement in between, and the take profit is going to be 69.7, so about 30 pips. Okay, 30 pips take profit, and then over here the take profit is going to be about 20 pips. Okay, so what I'll do is, once it's for example, let's say market move up and it closes here, I'll buy the pullback, and if it really breaks here, strong continuation candlesticks happen here, then I'll place my stop loss right at the bot price and leave the trade run. So I'll target the next nearest resistance here, the next TP. So this will give me a better and risk reward ratio, where it's almost like 50-70, so 70 pips and profit, whereas my stop loss is only about 50-40 pips, so it gives me about 1 to 1.5 to 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Okay, and let's go same for this selling side. So hope this gives you a detailed picture. Okay, and I want to explain to you guys, when you receive a signal or any entries, let's say your capital is $1,000. If you're down by, let's say each trade you risk 0.2%, let's say 3 trades are lost, how much is your loss? $300, $600? No, you just deficit by, how much is 2%? 0.2% is $2, so you deficit of $6. So your capital now is 994. Okay, for you to recoup back to $1,000, okay, you just need a you just need another 0.2 trade. Okay, for example, you just need another 2 trade positive. What will happen is you'll gain $12, so your surplus of $6. This is called the power of risk reward ratio, and with a proper money management, probably the 0.2% is different figure for you, for $6, and for someone else it's like probably a few millions. But when we look back at the basic, at the fundamental, let's assume the capital is X and the percentage is 0.2%. So this one is Y. So it doesn't really matter what's the figure here. It's the percentage that we focus on, and how are we going to convert this loss to winning trade. Okay, hope this really explained to you guys in detail. We have to detach ourselves from the figure, the value. This value. You have to focus on the percentage over here, because I see most of the traders. See, when I meet my friends traders, all of us like more excited of our losses. Why? Because we learn a lot from our losses, and we always improve our trading system to minimize the losses. And whereas the beginners, they focus more on the winning. They want a perfect entries all the time. If you enter 10 times, they expect 10 entries to be perfect. And there's no perfect entries in this world where you can look for it. And because there are people looking for perfect entries, that's why many people created a lot of scams on online, saying that this trade will give you 100,000% or 1,000% per day or something like that, and they will sell some EA and teach you some courses with very high fee, and people attend that and they get disappointed. So you got to accept the fact that forex trading is mixture of losses and winning, and it's like there'll be losses and there will be a winning. How are you managing the losses, and how are you expanding, or how are you growing your profit when it's really in a favorable situation? That's all. That's what matters the most. And another one more, that I've read a quote earlier. It's saying, see, everyone wants to take a right move in our life, right move in our life or in business or anything. No one wants a wrong move. Is it wrong decision? But what the quote saying this, the quote comes like this: everyone wants to take a right move in life, and no one wants to take a wrong move. But God did not create man with the right leg or wrong leg. God created man with the right leg and left leg. You take a move to right, you correct to left. You make a move to right, you correct to left. It's all about the progress. So it's not about the making a right move or wrong move in life. It's about making the move and do the correction. Make the move, correction. Make the move, correction. But if at all your entries in forex trading, if your entries or your money management is very bad, poor, let's say you risk about 20% per trade. At this situation, your capital is down by 60%. Then you emotionally you're worn out. I mean, with the 40%, for you to recoup back will take, so almost like a 80 to 90, 100% recoup. So it's not, it'll be very tough for a person from 60 a loss of 60% to recoup back to $1,000. That'll be very high risk. But if you have a proper money management where you make a wrong move or a right move, it's easy and it's a very healthy trading environment for the trader. So as a trader, you have to consider all these elements and really focus on that. So I'm guiding my participants in the classes, where I'm going to have a class on 1st February in a Brickfield. In Brickfield, you can contact Mr. Shan. Probably you guys know who's Shan. So I'm going to teach how a fund manager thinks, how fund manager handle money management, how fund manager handle when the market give you a wrong signal or wrong move. So it's about everything. So you have to see everything in a whole, and everything do play a big role in successful trading. Okay, thank you guys. Hope this videos benefit you guys. Okay, thank you.